Okay, folks, so now we got to get set up for our lab. So here we go. First things first, put your battery in its pack. Connect the red alligator clip to the red end of the battery pack. Connect one of the black alligator clips to the black end of the battery pack. Take that and connect the black alligator clip, the other end, to this switch base. Notice that the switch is in the open position here. That's where you want to have it while you're setting your lab up. Connect the second black alligator clip to the other side of the switch and set that aside for a moment. Okay, so now you have a balloon and you have some aluminum foil, you have some tape that you'll be sharing with the other table, and you have a cup of steel wool you'll be sharing with the other table as well. So let's talk about what you need to do. Take your balloon. You only get one per, so make sure that you are not blowing it up too big. Made a couple little tape donuts here. All these are doing is securing the balloon to the table so that you can work without it going all over the place. Once your balloon is secured, you will then take the cup of steel wool, and you're trying to get one single strand of steel wool. You want it to be as long as you can, probably at least 3 inches or so. Might have to try a couple times. And now we are going to tape the strand of steel wool to the balloon. You want to tape at the very ends because you're going to need the middle. You'll see why in a moment. Tape one end down. Make sure that you get it secured. Now, this is kind of important. You want to stretch the wire so that it is straight, get rid of the kinks, and you want to tape down the other end once it's straight and touching the balloon the whole way across. Tape it down. So now both ends of my steel wool wire are connected to the balloon, and you want to get it as straight as possible, getting those kinks out. You'll have a small piece of aluminum foil. What you're going to do is you're going to cut that so that you end up with roughly gum-sized pieces of aluminum foil. Fold it up so that you get a nice clean edges. You'll need 2 of those. Got a couple made here already. Now, next, you will tape. More tape. Laying the aluminum foil close together, but not touching, side by side, making sure that they are on top of the wire. Make sure that they are on top of the wire. So you probably can't see this too well here, but I have the wire secured here with this tape and down at the bottom, and the aluminum foil is on top of the wire. They're all touching. I have one end of the aluminum foil secured. Balloon back on its perch. Take another piece of tape. Run this tape across. In contact with the aluminum foil, and the aluminum foil is now taped down to the wire. Okay, so I'm almost done. Now it's time to call me over before you go any further. Once I'm there, connect the red alligator clip to one end of one piece of the aluminum foil. Again, these are like our highways for our electrons. Clip the black alligator clip to the other piece of aluminum foil, and throw your switch. That's what you should see happen. If you did everything correctly, that's what will happen. Open your switch so that no current is flowing through there. Unhook your alligator clips, throw away your materials, and go back, finish up your lab. I will circle, whether it was your first try, second try, third try, so on and so forth. If you accidentally or intentionally pop your first balloon, you will get a second balloon with a 5-point deduction for popping your balloon, all right, without accidentally, without using the electricity to do it. Write the correct sequence of what happens here. put those in the correct order, put your name on it, period, turn it in the bin. Each partner needs to do a lab sheet. Go to it.